y'all, I'm David, and this is my shop, Willomet Motor and Fabrication in Dallas, Texas. That's Harriet, my dog. This is where I like to spend a lot of time, working on different sorts of projects, whether it's the Suburban or my 1970 Dodge Charger. Let's talk for a minute about these two projects. This is my first car, a 1985 diesel Suburban. My dad ordered it new from Chevy, and growing up I spent many weekends at his elbow as he serviced and maintained the truck. Over the last 20-odd years, it's been my primary project vehicle. We built an engine, upgraded the drivetrain, and added plenty of intercooled boost. I learned to fabricate on this truck, and there are loads of details that we'll cover in future episodes. But I'll tell you, the only thing left original on it is the body. Now, where the Suburban was built one piece at a time over many years, the build plan for the Charger is entirely different. I have long admired the broad, sweeping lines on the second-generation Dodge Charger, and I've always wanted to build one. Just finally got my chance. This is going to be a big focus of what I work on and show in these episodes, and we're going to go into a lot of detail. But generally, this is going to be a pro touring Charger, built to handle with lots of power, and we're not going to pay a lot of attention to the purist rulebook. And while by nature it's a big, heavy Dodge, I'm going to work hard to make this thing as lightweight as possible within a reasonable budget. It's hard to talk about projects in the shop without talking about the shop itself and how we built it. About 10 years ago, my wife and I built this garage because we didn't have one when we bought the house. This was a totally blank lot. And if you're a car guy, then you know that you have got to have a place to work on your junk. For a couple of years, I didn't have that. But what I did have was this idea of something that was a little bit larger than normal, but not too big, where I could work on a project vehicle, park our daily, and then also have an opportunity to just construct and build things from scratch. The first big project that we did in this garage was the actual building of it. We built this when we had really not a lot of money and built it from scratch with just ourselves, our own drawings, got them approved at the city, had friends and family over, and they helped us. It was like an old-fashioned barn raising. And we tilted up all the walls on top of a slab foundation and then hired out the roof, because roofing in Texas in July is not anybody's idea of an awesome time. So we wrote a check for that one.
Hey. Yeah, baby, I know.
You know, there's no way I could have done this without, like we know in hot rodding and off-roading, without friends and family and the support of your significant other. So, I do have one request, and it's kind of basic, you know. If you like the channel, support the channel, as Jason likes to say. The other is, if you've got questions or things that you want to know more about, just put them in the comments. I'll use all that to make future videos and make sure I cover the stuff that y'all are interested in. But until then, so, that's me. Thanks for sticking around, giving me your time. And I'm looking forward to making more for you. Take care.